Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to delete YouTube subscriptions, and this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to log in your YouTube account on your Google web browser or your desktop. Now on the left side or panel, you can see here subscriptions that is below shorts. So what you're going to do is to click subscriptions, and here you will see the channel that you have subscribed. So go to the right side and click manage, and you will see the channels that you have subscribed one by one. So in order to unsubscribe each channel, all you have to do is to click the subscribe right here or tap this arrow facing down, and then you will see their option. And one of the options there is unsubscribe. So just click this one and then tap unsubscribe. And you have to do this to each of the channel here if you want to subscribe all of this. But there is no option that you can subscribe or delete all channels at once. So you have to do it one by one. So click unsubscribe and then tap this arrow facing down again, unsubscribe. So you have to do it again and again. Now don't worry because you can subscribe back the channel anytime you want. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to delete or unsubscribe YouTube subscriptions. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.